I'm Tyler.
And I'm Dylan.
And I'm Jake Kappas. This is Kappas' son.
And we're going to ask Jake some questions on our Pezzy about airplanes. Our first one is, why did people get the idea to invent airplanes?
Well, the history of airplanes goes back many, many centuries. Ever since the early philosophers in Europe thought of birds and how they fly. So it's been going on for many centuries, and so early Americans first developed the first airplanes, the Wright brothers, and they thought of this idea because humans always wanted to travel faster and fly through the air like the birds can. So that's how people got that idea.
What about planes?
Like airplanes. Well, kites, yeah, same purpose. They fly just like birds.
Our next question is, do you know how high the first airplane is?
How high? It only flew a few feet off the ground, actually. So it didn't really fly at all. It more glided. The early airplanes, they didn't know how to make airplanes fly. So they didn't fly very far at all. Only a few hundred feet and only a few feet off the ground.
And our last question is, we know that. Why do people use airplanes?
Well, it's just a convenient way to travel. For instance, if we were going from here to California or from here to New York, it takes a long time to drive there. So airplanes are fast and convenient and safe way to travel.
Why were airplanes used in World War I?
Why were they used in World War I?
Yeah, why were they used in wars?
Well, they were used in wars mainly for air superiority. So World War I, they mostly had little biplanes, and everyone thought that there was a strategic advantage over having something in the air than on the ground.
Okay.